Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and you know I had to come back with something else to add to the collection. So let's check out another gorgeous wig from Outre together. It's summertime, we got our sundresses, and you know we need some hairstyles to go with it too. So let's go ahead and unbox this beauty and try it on. Today we're trying on Miss Secora, which is a new wig from the Outre Lace Front Deluxe wig series. And first impression, she's pretty cute so far. I'm loving the length, I like the texture. I don't usually go for this shade of red, but I like it a whole lot more than I thought I would now that I finally am trying it on my head. She's really cute, and the lace is really pretty too. The baby hairs aren't too overbearing, and I like how kind of light and subtle they are. So before we get into the details of Miss Secora, let's go ahead and get into this install. Okay y'all, so we are done with the install of this beautiful wig. So before I get into my pros, my cons, and what I personally think about this wig that I bought, let's go ahead and get into the specs. This is an Outre Lace Front Deluxe series wig. This one comes with a deep hand-tied edge closure It's a T-part lace wig. This one is advertised with deeper hand-tied lace edges, and it's supposed to be extra natural. This is 24 inches long. I'm sitting down so you can't see all of the length in action right now, but I'm going to show it to you guys in a minute. But it's right up my alley because I love big hair. So if you can't already tell by me cheesing all hard, I'm feeling this one for sure. I purchased Secora in the color Ginger Brown. It's one of my favorite color tones from Outre that they offer. And I'm amazed because even though it's the same color tone, depending on what wig, what length, what texture you get it in, it's always going to look a little different. This is an HD transparent lace wig. So it comes with lace that is light enough for you to color it into your own complexion or to match it as close as you possibly can for a natural finish. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This wig comes with 5 inches of deep parting space all the way to the back and natural baby hairs that I have kind of combed back into the wig itself, into the hairline. This is nice. This is actually really, really nice. This is one of the wigs on the more affordable spectrum of the wigs that Outre has to offer. I believe I purchased this for about $27 and change. So if you are on a short time crunch and you're on a tight budget, this is for sure one of the ones that I would definitely include in your shopping cart. But as you can tell, I love a lot about this wig, so let me go ahead and tell you more. As a lover of big hair, this wig is I don't think it's dramatic, but it's big. It's right up my alley in terms of giving you this glamorous look. Now the stock card has it a little more on the tame side, which I thought was very cute as well. I didn't do this on purpose. I just happened to comb it out. As you know, with synthetic wigs, they are going to kind of blow out and frizz up as you go. But I made sure to keep my synthetic spray near me in case I want to tame it right back. The next thing I love about this is the natural hairline. They did a really, really good job on this T-part lace wig. If you're familiar with those particular types of wigs, so you would know what I mean by it can come off very wiggy. The hairline, the parting can be very, you know, glossy, stiff, kind of harsh, the line of demarcation. But I will say, not just with the baby hairs, but the HD lace as well, I didn't really have to do much. I didn't really have to do much with this one because the lace is nice and thin and it goes all around to give the illusion of a full hairline. So that's a huge plus for me. I'm going to say that I am a huge fan. What led me to purchase this was actually the texture that I saw this wig in. I love me a curly wig. I love me some texture. I feel that curlier textures in synthetic wigs tend to hold up a little bit longer and a little bit better than the softer, straighter, silkier textures. But this one, I didn't know how big it could get, and I'm obsessed with it so far. Now, I did say I was going to keep it real with you guys at all times, so let's go ahead and get into some things I think you should be aware of when you go to spend your coin on this wig too. One thing about Miss Secora that I think you should be aware of is, of course, when the curls come kind of in this looser pattern, that deep wave pattern. If you can take a look at the ends right here, this lets me know, if you can see, that I'm going to have to pay close attention to how I style my wigs with a brush. I'm probably going to have to use some synthetic wig spray, most especially on the ends of this hair, because it is a curlier or wavier texture. It's longer and I've already shared how I feel about long synthetic wigs on my channel before. This one, you can't just take it off and stuff it back in the bag. No, you're probably going to have to spray this girl down, brush her from the bottom to the top before you store her in her original packaging or in another bag you choose to use before you put her away for later use. This is a T-part lace wig. So even though it has an ear-to-ear lace kind of closure to it, it creates a little bit of a challenge with some of the styles that you might want to be able to do with it, but that doesn't mean it's going to be a problem. Despite some of the challenges that you might face with maintaining and storing a synthetic wig of this texture and length, I definitely think that is still a great addition to your wig collection. At the price point of under $28, I think this gives an amazing human hair dupe look. This wig does come in about 5 or 6 other beautiful colors that you can try. So if you're not crazy about red tones like me, or you want to try something else, or you just want to see what it looks like straight up jet black, which I think would look amazing just as much, feel free to try. I'm going to leave all of the information on where I got this wig, how much I got it for, and where you can get it to right in the description box below if you need any more information. You know how this goes. I'm going to leave a couple angles for you in the closing shots, and I'm going to meet you in the comment section so we can chat a little bit about what you think of this wig or any of the wigs you think I should add to my summer collection this year. As always, guys, thank you for clicking play, and I will catch you right here, same place, next time. Peace out, guys.